Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for a little girl called Daisy. She's asked me if I could draw a koala. I know Daisy's mum was originally born in Australia, so she's got family there and they look really cute, so I thought, yeah, that would be a great thing to draw. So let's make a start, shall we? First we'll put in the koala's distinctive nose. It's quite a long oval, really. And then we'll put its eyes either side. Slightly lower than you'd expect. Put the eyeballs in. Little smile just underneath the nose there. Some cheeks, probably full of eucalyptus leaves they like to eat. They're really furry and cuddly looking. They've got these big ears, and that's why some people call them koala bears, because they look like teddy bears. But apparently they're not bears at all. They are more linked to wombats and kangaroos than they are bears. So the ears come round like that, same on each side. Huge ears. And they might look cuddly, but they actually have very sharp teeth and sharp claws. Put some eyebrows on. And we'll put an arm in, hugging the tree. They spend their whole life really on the eucalyptus trees, just picking the leaves and chewing away on them. There's his leg, kind of cuddling the tree. We'll just put his clawed foot just in there. Put the tree trunk coming up like so. Just down. And we'll have our koala sort of sat between two branches, almost as though he's being propped up by this one. There we go. We can put these markings. The eucalyptus trees have these sort of striped markings. These across. Let's put some other branches in, one that side and one this side. We'll put some eucalyptus shoots and leaves for our koala to eat. They love eating the leaves off this tree. Apparently they're an endangered species now, especially after the terrible fires that happened in Australia over their summer. I've been reading that their name, koala, comes from the Aboriginal language, and it means no water or no drink. And apparently a koala's baby, similar to a kangaroo, it's called a joey, and they're also a marsupial like a kangaroo. And the baby is born blind, and it gets its eyesight as it grows up, and they can live up to about 20 years. There we go. I'm just putting a few more shoots and leaves in. You can obviously choose where you put yours. You don't have to be precise, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just about having fun. So there we have it. There is our koala in a eucalyptus tree. And that one was for Daisy. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one. It was fun to draw that. Remember to subscribe to Add Art so you know when all the new drawings are appearing on YouTube. And if you can give me a like, that would be brilliant. And if you want to make a suggestion like Daisy did, then get a grown-up to contact me on my Instagram account, which is @add_art_king, and maybe I'll choose your suggestion for next time. Okay, well that's it for today, and I'll see you again when I do. Alright, bye for now.